Hey, welcome. Do you feel nervous when speaking English? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we will practice together, step by step. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the conversation.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for milk, but I can't find it.
Oh, it's in aisle 5.
Aisle 5. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, can I get a coffee?
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Hot or iced?
Iced.
Great choice. Alex, can you finish this today?
Yes, I'll try my best.
Great. I know you can do it.
I'll send it by evening. Hello, is this Emma?
Yes, speaking.
Hi, Emma, this is Alex.
Oh, hi. How are you?
I'm good. Just calling about the meeting.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken pasta.
Great choice.
Thank you.
Now, it's your turn. Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? Very good. Say it again with confidence. See, you're already improving. Practice this daily, and soon, speaking English will feel natural. Don't forget to save this video and follow for more.